In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to set up the connector for Salesforce and Jira directly inside Jira. This integration is incredibly useful if you want to sync issues, cases, and data between Jira and Salesforce without jumping back and forth between tools. Whether you're on a support team, a sales ops team, or a development team working closely with Salesforce users, this setup will save you a lot of time. I'll show you exactly where to click, how to find the connector, and how to start your free trials so you can test everything safely. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Jira and software integration tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, log into your Jira account and open the project or board where you want to enable the integration. Once you're inside Jira, look toward the top navigation bar. Here, you'll see several options. Click on the More menu. This menu contains additional settings and options that aren't shown by default, including access to apps and integrations. After clicking on More, the next step is to click on Apps. This will take you to the Atlassian Marketplace section inside Jira, where you can browse, search for, and manage apps that extend Jira's functionality. This is where all official and trusted Jira integrations live. Now that you're in the Apps section, go to the search bar and type in Connector for Salesforce and Jira. As you type, Jira will start showing matching results from the Marketplace. When you see Connector for Salesforce and Jira in the list, click on it to open the app's details page. Make sure you select the correct app, usually provided by Service Rocket, so you're installing the official connector. On the apps page, you'll see detailed information about what the connector does, supported features, pricing, and reviews from other users. To continue with the setup, click on the Try It Free button. This allows you to install the app and test it in your Jira environment without any upfront cost. Next, you'll be taken to a review screen. Here, Jira will show you the permissions the app needs in order to work correctly. Take a moment to review this information so you understand what access is being granted. Once you're comfortable, click on Review to proceed. After reviewing the permissions, click on Start Free Trial. Jira will now begin installing the connector for Salesforce and Jira into your instance. This process usually takes just a few moments. Once the installation is complete, you'll be able to access the connector settings and begin linking Jira with your Salesforce account. From here, you can continue with the connector's configuration, such as authenticating Salesforce, mapping fields, and choosing what data should sync between the two platforms. Those steps depend on your specific use case, but getting the app installed is the most important first step. And that's it. You've successfully installed the connector for Salesforce and Jira and started your free trial. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step Jira tutorials, integrations, and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.